Hey guys, this is Mrs. Bramlett, and I'm going to help you navigate through Introduction to Teaching. I want you guys to look at the modules with me today. As you can see, I am in my section, but I'm about to go to Student View so I can see what you see. Alright, so this should be what everyone is looking at when they look on Canvas. Let's start right here with modules. The first thing that you see is student introductions. If you have not done this yet, please read through my introduction. As you can see, I have been in public education for about a decade. I very much enjoyed being in the classroom. I taught English and science, social studies, creative writing. I very much enjoy creativity and technology and anything having to do with those subject areas. I live in Payneburn, and I have two sons, Ryan and Bo, and my husband is also in education. He is a coach at Heber Springs School District. Here's me again, and here is the other instructor of education, Miss Angel. You may have had her for a class too. We love working here at ASUPB, and we love to help future teachers. So if you haven't yet done so, go ahead and put your intro, because I love hearing about you guys and your lives and what y'all like to do in your future plans. Hit next and you will see school district observation forms. This has caused a little confusion, but not to worry. This is not a major assignment right off the bat. What I want you to do is read through the booklet, read through the permission forms, and print the assumption of risk form. Then, when you get to this section, I want you to copy this, hit Control Copy, and then paste it onto a blank section and just print your name, put my name, and then the school district that you want to observe at, and the teacher that you think you want to observe. But if you don't know, that's fine, just leave it blank. I just kind of want to take just a survey of where everyone is going this semester. You do not have to make a commitment with this. I just really want to know that everybody, A, understands that you have to complete, actually this should say 30, so I will make that change. You have to complete 30 hours of observation, that you have read and understood the observation handbook, and that you agree to the terms and conditions within the booklet. Okay, the child maltreatment requirement. This is very important. This is a video that everybody must watch before they are allowed to observe. You watch this on your own. It's about an hour. And then this is the form. You can submit it to me in two ways. You can just drop it off at my office. You can put it in my mailbox. You can give it to the administrative assistant here on campus in the OC if I'm not here. Or you can send it to me through the mail. Do not just send me a picture of it. I need the actual form somehow. If you scan it in and email it, make sure you put it in this format. Maltreatment form, last name, first name, fall 2019. Now, to turn in this assignment, I want you to give me answers to these 6 questions. What is maltreatment? What happens when somebody's charged with maltreatment? Just answer these. You don't even have to give me full sentences. I just want to know that you have a correct idea of what maltreatment is and what the characteristics of abuse are. Hit next. And this is the syllabus quiz. And some people are wondering what this is. This is something that the school has implemented this fall to make sure that everyone in the course is actually taking the course. We don't want to accidentally charge someone if they are not truly taking this course. They signed up for it, they forgot to drop it, things like that. So All you have to do is read this question and then acknowledge the course content disclaimer, hit I acknowledge, and submit the quiz. And that's it. You've submitted the syllabus quiz. Okay, let's look back at the modules. I have also added the major course requirements, which we will talk about at length later next week. You have case law summaries, and these are not as complicated as they sound. I've put a model for you to follow. You just put a topic, case number, a URL link, and then a two-paragraph summary of what the case is about. And you're just going to do these about 15 topics of your choice. You don't have to follow these specific choices. They can be anything related to education. And you have pretty much all semester to work on these. So let's go to the next semester project. Video presentation. This is important because this is an online class. I would like for you guys to give me just a short video presentation about your observations. Just like I will be giving video presentations to you guys, I want you to give a presentation to me and tell me basically how your semester went. Tell me about the classroom you observed, the teaching strategies, the learning activities, the climate, about the teaching approaches you witnessed, but we'll talk more about that as we go through the semester. The final project, the culmination of all your hard work, is going to be a Google site where everything you've done is uploaded. Now, this is a lot easier than it sounds. I will walk you through this step by step, and if you have any trouble at all, you can call me or you can stop by my office and I will show you how to create this Google site. It is very simple. You just do it through Google and it's a drag and drop site. I have a video that shows you how to do it. And if you've already had educational technology, you have built one already. Now this is a lot easier than the binder, and we think that you guys will enjoy this a lot more. So everything we do this semester will be just uploaded onto this website. Okay, so those are our big projects for the year. So let's go to Module 1, the last thing we're going to talk about today. Module 1, this is kind of how every module will be formatted. You will have some very important terminology you will see on the midterm and or the final. So I just want you to know what this terminology is. Just know what these words mean. Then most of the time I will add supplemental material. This is Rita Pierson, and she's one of my heroes. I love to watch her speak. Please watch this video. I think you will love it. And just kind of think about her words and the reasons why you became a teacher. And that's what I have for the first lesson. Just read that first 27 pages in the textbook. Watch that video with Miss Pierson. And then for your assignment, I want to know some more about you. I want you to write an autobiography. I want you to tell me about you, but also what brought you into education. Why do you want to be a teacher? How do you think you will help young people in the future? Do you feel like teaching is your calling? Do you have teachers in your family? How will others benefit from your career choice? This is a narrative. I'm not very strict. You can use first person. I do have a rubric right here that you can go by. It is 50 points, so it is worth several points. But you can go through that. If you need help or if you need ideas on what to write, please don't hesitate to email me or call me. And then finally, I went ahead and I uploaded your public service activity. In years past, there has been 2 public service activities. I decided that this year we would do, or this semester, we would just do one, but we would extend the one by an hour. So I would like you to volunteer at one place for 2 to 3 hours and then write one reflection. I have an opportunity available for everybody in this class, and it's coming up the first weekend in October. It's called the Sunshine Rodeo, and it's in affiliation with ASU-BB, and several people from the education department are volunteering. You can take care of your public service hours by doing this event, and if you're interested, just let me know. If you have something else in mind, if there's something closer to where you live, or something else you would like to do. If you'd like to volunteer at a local school, that's fine too. But I just want to extend this opportunity to volunteer here with us at the Sunshine Rodeo. Okay, so I know I talked kind of fast, but there was a lot to get through, and you can always rewind and watch this video again. But I do want to say that it looks like a lot, but it really isn't. This is just paperwork and logistics. I just want you to introduce yourself. Make sure you understand what is expected of you, 30 hours of observation, that you really need to start looking for the teacher at the school where you will be doing those observations. If you need help finding placement, please let me know. The sooner you find an observation site, the better. And if you are going to schools like Searcy and Cabot and BB, they close for observations the fastest and will probably not be accepting after the second or third week of school. So I would get those taken care of very soon. Your child maltreatment, please give me that form in person or through a scanned email. And your syllabus quiz, just read through it and click the I acknowledge button. Again, major course requirements. These are the big ticket items. These are the big things. Oh, thank you for your payment, Verizon. These are the big ticket items. And then finally, Module 1. This is where we start. This is where we get into the textbook. And I really hope you enjoy everything that we do together in this course. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. I will put my office hours on an announcement, but I can be emailed at any time during the week. Sometimes I am not as responsive during the weekends. I do use that time to spend with my family. But yes, just give me a call or an email if you need anything at all. Until next time, see you later.